How microprocessors are made. Start with sand. The process of creating computer chips being with a type of sand called silica sand, which is compressed of silica dioxide. Silicon is the base material for the semiconductor manufacturing and must be pure before it can be used in the manufacturing process. Silicon ingot. Multiple purification and filtrating process are performed in order to deliver electronic grade silicon, which has a purity of 99.99%. A purified silicon ingot, which weight around 100 kg, is shaped from the metal silica and made ready for the next step. Cut wafers. A circular silicon ingot is sliced into wafers as thin as possible while maintaining the material's ability to be used in the fabrication process. The silicon wafers are thin, refined, and the polished in order to provide the best possible surface for for the following fabrication steps. Photolithography. After being polished and readied for the process, a layer of photoresist is spread thinly across the wafers. This layer is thin, exposed to a UV light mask, which is shaped in the pattern of the microprocessor circuit. Exposed photoresist becomes soluble and washed off of a solvent. Ions and doping. Exposed photoresist is washed off and silicon water is bombarded with iron in order to alter its conductivity properties. This is called doping. The remaining photoresist is thin washed off, revealing a pattern of affecting and unaffected materials. Etching. A pattern of hard material is applied to the wafers using another photography steps. Chemicals are used to remove the unwanted silicon, leaving behind the thin silicon rigid. After this, more photography steps are applied, which creates more the transistor structure depending on the gates format is being used. Electroplating. An insoluble layer is applied in the surface of almost complete transistor and three holes are etched into it. Layering interconnecting. All the transistors are new connected in an architecture which allows the chips to the function like a process. The layering and designing of these interconnecting is incredibly complex and then can be over 30 layers of the metal connected in a single process. Test and slice die. The chip on the wafers are now ready to be tested. The wafers is sliced into dies and function die move on to the final step in the fabrication process. Packing. Dies are packed with the substrate and heat separated and assume the familiar form factor of the desktop process. The heat separated conductivity heat away from the silica and into the handset mounted on top of it.